everybody, it's Kelly and I'm back with another layout. And I just want to forewarn you a little bit. It is the last week in January. You're going to see this and the last week of January. I am really behind scrapbooking. You know that I had a trip to Paris. Life has just been crazy. I was very sick in the month of December, so I have not scrapbooked since the beginning of November when I got all the all the layouts that you've been seeing for the last 2 months done. So if there is a break, if I miss a Tuesday or a Saturday, it's just because I was so crazy busy. I did not have time to get a layout up. I'm not going anywhere, and I'm going to try really hard not to do that. But just so you know, I also have another extra long weekend planned in Florida coming up very quickly. So just a little forewarning so that you know that. This layout I'm going to call my practice layout because this is the first layout I did when after I haven't scrapbooked in 2 months. And honestly, it gets a little busy. But it's okay. I think it's okay. I might actually go back and ink the edges of that blue piece of paper. And I think if I did that, it would help separate things a little bit more. So let's talk about the papers. That wood paper is from Echo Park Fall, the pumpkin patch paper. I loved that this event took place in the summer where we went away for the weekend. My boyfriend got to go up to a friend's condo on a lake for the very first time. And so this was in the summer. So that floral paper is Simple Stories Summer Days. It's a Sunny Days paper. And then that blue dot paper is Doodlebug Petite Prints, the swimming pool dot stripe paper. I'm now adding, I'm using this wood looking foam alpha, and I just used a 3 instead of spelling out the word 3. I liked getting the brown back in somehow. So that's how I'm doing it. And this particular case, that alpha is American Cross Thickers Cedar, which I believe was a pink paisley collection at one point. I'm just pulling some things off to kind of work with, looking for these phrases. I like these. This is summer bucket list. I like using some of those. Just pulling things off that I think I might be able to use on this layout. So these die cuts, I'm going to kind of play around and look and see what some of those are from Simple Stories, Sunshine and Blue Skies. They're the bits and pieces die cuts. And I'm also thinking about how am I going to journal? And I'm thinking like that kind of, it's red. It's like red, but it's kind of a pinky red. When I was looking for that, I found these chipboard flip-flops on the Photoplay Summer Daydreams chipboard. By the way, all the stuff I'm using is really old. I have not bought anything new since Chamel's newest collection, and I'm not intending to. I have plenty of stuff to scrapbook with. The only thing I'll probably buy is the Doodlebug Petite Prints because I use those as background so much. Other than that, I'm not intending on buying anything new. So you saw that bucket there. That is a die cut. And that came from that Sunshine and Blue Skies bits and pieces. That heart, that green heart sticker there came from Bella Boulevard Secrets of the Sea, the Fundamentals Girl collection. And then that phrase sticker there, which is Take a Road Trip, came from the, hold on a second, I'll get it, the Photoplay Summer Bucket List word strip stickers. Sorry, guys. I have a lot of different kinds of stickers here, and they have lots of things in common. I'm trying to get that die cut on there, and that's just not working. So that Cool Treats die cut, because we do have ice cream when we were there. We did. It's a big thing we do. Is from that Sunshine and Blue Skies pieces. And then obviously that word strip again is from that Photoplay Summer Bucket List. Now I have that green label, and that came from a really old October Afternoon Summertime Little Labels sticker sheet. I have a few of those left. So I'm adding that one in. That Love Today sticker, which is in the bottom. I'm having a hard time as I'm looking at this. It's going pretty fast. So that piece, Love Today, is from the Secrets of the Sea Fundamentals Girl. All right. And then I'm adding in another one of those October afternoon labels. That blue heart is from Bella Boulevard Secrets of the Sea, but Fundamentals Boy in that bottom cluster. And I think I've kind of gotten everything. I use Secrets of the Sea. I use the Photoplay Summer Bucket List collection mainly, and then the die cuts from the Sunshine and Blue Skies. Again, old collections, just using up what I can find. And this is a summer event, so I like the idea of using the summer pieces here. I did something a little different. I didn't do a strict diagonal here like I often do. Part of it is because of where I put my title, so I needed something to take up some space there. Sometimes what I'll do is put it on like the corners or points, that kind of stuff. So now I'm wanting to use some enamel dots, and I thought I had brown and like dark brown enamel dots. I don't. So that's kind of in my head, is that's something I need to look at getting. Kind of watch, the Altenew when they come out, or I've got a retreat coming up in March, and when I go get some more, I'll probably get some Doodleblog Petite Prince stuff in colors I'm out of, and they sell a lot of the enamel dots, so I'll probably take a look at that point. But that's something I need to write myself a note about. I have a list that I keep on my phone if I run out of like commodity stuff like this, especially since I'm really trying not to buy new collections, just because I'm not scrapbooking as much as I used to. Just life is crazy busy. And so I'm trying to use up what I have. And I don't put any restrictions on how much I have. Obviously, I have a room. But I'm just trying to, use what I have because I love it and I want it on the page. That blue heart sticker that I'm adding is from Ellie Studio Cardstock and Basic Shape stickers. They're from 2021, so they're not available anymore. But just kind of adding that in because I wanted a heart up there because I have them in the other two collections, but there were no hearts that actually worked with the colors, and that got me some blue. All right, there's a still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you guys are all well, and I will be back with another video soon. Bye, everybody.